Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Eeyore, Tigger, Pooh Bear, and little Piglet, and it is fall harvest time, which means it's time to pick all of our fruit before it falls to the ground and attracts the big black and brown bears. Way up here is an apple tree, but I don't see any apples. I think they've already fallen to the ground. And if you look carefully, there's also a grapevine that's wrapped around the apple tree. Let's go looking for some apples, and maybe we can reach some grapes too. Tigger's looking very carefully. What about down here? Oh, there's 2 apples, Tigger. Let's have a look. There's a little bit of a brown spot, but that's okay. It looks like a little worm or a bug got inside, but we can cut that part off. And here's one with the stem still attached. Now it's a little bit soft, but again, we can cut off the bruised part and eat the good part of the apple so it doesn't go to waste. Tigger thinks he can bounce way up and reach some grapes. Everybody cheer Tigger on. Yay, Tigger! Bounce! Bounce! Woo! Good job, Tigger. He got some yummy purple grapes. They have some seeds in them, but they still taste super juicy. When the weather starts to cool, the color of the leaves start to change to orange, yellow, and red. This tree's leaves are turning from green to yellow, and they slowly fall to the ground, and they create compost, and beds of leaves create little homes for bugs to hide in over the winter time. Pooh Bear and Piglet found some dried leaves that have fallen. Crunch, crunch, crunch. They're fun to play in. Eeyore and I found a grape with a little web on top of it. We're going to roll this down the driveway like a little ball. Whoa, there it goes. How far will it roll? Uh-oh, it got stuck in this little pile of leaves. Keep going, little grape. Whee! It got stuck again, but we don't see it. It's hiding under the leaves somewhere. Do you see it? Oh, there it is. Bye-bye, little grape. And thank you for having fun with us today. Happy fall. Goodbye.